Hi everybody, this is Tracy from Tracy's Art and Craft, and I'm here today with the final piece of the Design Team Challenge from, or Design Team Project, sorry, from G, from Happiness and Crafting. And this is her Blue Butterflies kit. It's all completed now. And so I would show you the kit first, but I have just used the last pieces that I printed out to put in here for you guys. So I'm just going to give you a flip through, and then today is the announcement of the competition that I am going to launch today. And I'll give you all the details of that after we've had a little look through this. But the prize of this competition is going to be this piece. So I haven't completely filled up the pockets that I'm going to be filling. Some are empty, some haven't been filled, because I wanted to leave a few surprises for the lucky winner. So I'm going to go through everything that I've made so far in this folio, and it's turned out absolutely beautiful. So it's got this closure here, which is just a ribbon with a little charm attached. It's got little gold stars in there. It's very cute, and it just wraps around like so. Sorry, I'm having trouble talking today. And it's just attached in the centre here with a little knot. I have left it loose enough for you to remove if you don't like this, or you want to change it, or anything like that, or even if you want to add to it, you can. So I have tried to make things as removable as possible on here. So the front cover has this beautiful tag cluster, all made out of all the pieces from G's kit, and it's the Blue Butterflies kit. Everything is linked down in the description box below. I've made this beautiful little layered flower, and this is made out of jute and that rattan stuff. And here we have some beautiful charms hanging on to the book plate, and one dangling off the bottom of the tag here. And then as you open it up, I'm just going to move this over so I can try to show you it 2 pages at a time. I've left this undone, but this opens up and we have a pocket here, and inside here, sorry, try to show you the pocket. Inside here, I've just placed some of G's lovely journaling cards, just so that you can use these however you like in the journal that comes with this, because the journal is empty and all this is for you to fill it up however you so like. So this is just some journaling space here, some note-taking, writing space. In here I have made up some scrappy playing cards. These are real vintage playing cards, and I have just backed them with some of the scraps left over from this kit. And I've sprayed them a little as well to give you sort of a distressed look. So they go in there. And then this flips up to give you some more journaling space just there. You've got a little pocket here. This will have some things in. All the pockets will be filled. But like I say, I did want to just leave some little surprises for whoever wins this kit. And that just closes by wrapping it around this little heart here. Sorry about the shadow play. It's quite late when I'm filming this today. So on to the other side of the folio. We have a lovely long bit of journaling space here. In here we have this lovely journaling card that I've embossed onto some scrapbook paper and backed it onto one of G's pages that come from this kit. And I've just left it plain on the back to leave you some journaling space. You could either use it in here, or you can use this in the in the journal. Sorry, it's one of those days today. I do have those days. Here I have put in some vintage playing cards, but left them as is, not decorated them, leaving them for you to play with. There will be other ephemera popped into there, vintage ephemera, but like I say, I want to leave some of it for surprise. So in here we have some little clusters that I've made out of scrapbook paper, and this one is the little rectangle ephemera piece from G's kit. It's absolutely beautiful, that kit. I've had so much fun with it. Now in each of these pockets on this piece, we have lovely journaling cards. This was the gesso for you to write on, but leaves the book page behind visible. And here I've left this frame that is unbacked for you. It's another piece that you can pop into your journal any way that you wish. You could even use it as a photo frame and slot a photo in behind it if you put it in as a pocket. So again, there may be other pieces popped into these. This is just to start us off. So that is that piece. Now we're going to go open up into the centre of this one, or the last part of this one. Now each of these do have a pocket there, and there are going to be some papers popped in there. Some tea dyed, coffee dyed papers just slotted in there, but not a lot can fit in there with the journal being attached. So in this bit we have 3 little pockets, and each little pocket has a tag put in place, all ready for you to explore there. And if we come to this one is a tag pocket. So a tag with a pocket with a tag inside. A tag and a tag and a tag. And I've left it plain on the back for you to journal on. That can even be left in here, that can be used in a journal, however. And then it opens up. I'm trying to show you, it's not easy. This is an embossed piece of scrapbook paper, and I have inked the embossing plate before embossing it, and it's come out this lovely wooden effect. And I've left that in there for a lovely bookmark for you. There will be a few other things coming into here as well. And this is awesome, lovely journaling space, whether you want to use it to journal, whether you want to use it to write down notes for your journal, anything like that. So with this one, it flips down. I don't know if you can see, I keep coming off screen, that's the problem. There we go. We've got this lovely bow with a butterfly in the centre. This is from G's Cherry Blossom kit. So that's that one. This is her ephemera kit, the Cherry Blossom one. I'll link that down in the description box below for you. And these all flip out, giving you lots of little journaling space. This is little hidden journaling spaces. You could either journal on these, or you could even add photographs for memories, or stick in little tickets of your day for memories, things like that. In here I have one of these. This is cut out from G's kit and also a bit of scrapbook paper that I had. And these are good for just sticking on top of pages, decorating up. You could even take these off because it's just held by a staple if you wanted to, and use them individually. Anything like that. This little postcard pocket here is from G's postcards collection as well. That's another digital kit that you can get yourself. And this is just, again, another bookmark, but it's so cute and so pretty. Like I say, in all these pockets I do have other things to go into them. And this comes round like so. There we go. Inside here we have some of the Friday freebie bits that I have made. They're all stapled together with beautiful pink staples just at the tops here. And this is a little matchbook fold out. Again, all would be lovely to be used in this journal. Ooh, just get that to close, there we go. I'll pop those just back in there. This is another flip down with some journaling space. And just in the top here, ooh, I have made a lovely card which opens up. Got a little stamped image just in the corner here, and inside that you also have a pocket with a journaling card. Now I have made this with one of G's Friday freebies, which has the beautiful body images on, and I've just used a little bit of my tulle, and I have then used her flowers, cut them out to make a sort of a belt to go around it. So that is that piece just in there. I'm going to put this in upside down because it helps to keep the skirt flat that way. So that's all of those sides. This is the back with my wooden book plate that I always put on. These book plates are made by a wonderful lady that's very local to me. And she's on my other videos and things. I've got her linked on other videos, so you'll see that. Now here, I've left these pockets empty. I have some beautiful vintage ephemera that I'm going to pop into these, so that's going to be really, really nice. And then we're left with the journal. The journal slots out. It's held in by this lovely silky fabric here. And this is just left with its knot so that you can undo this if you wish and take it off completely. It doesn't have to stay on. But I've left it on so you can slot your journal in and out. And I have completely made a journal. I've used my own music sheet paper from a music book, but on this side is the Blue Butterflies kit, and I've used the Blue Butterflies kit for all the pages in here. I've made little pockets out of some wide lace just here, and in here I have tried to make it so it's 2 white pages and then 2 designed pages, and that's so that you can do your own art and your own designs on these pages. Maybe you'd like to keep these as they are and then put in pockets and ephemera and things on the white ones, or maybe you'd like to use this for collage space or just for plain journaling and then have, you know, your photographs on the pretty paper. Totally depends how you use your journals. I tend to use my journals as memory set keepers, but people use their journals for a multitude of different reasons, and if you are a bullet journaler, this would also work for that as well, because you've got these beautiful lovely plain white pages in there. So I have left them play, but that's so that whoever receives this can have a good play and turn this journal into something that is just their own, with their own artistic designs and ideas. Sorry, just try to show you all the way through. I love this one because you've got this butterfly here and then the butterfly wings. I just love that spread. It's one of my favourite spreads, that one. And then you have another pocket just on the back here for you to put whatever you want, whether it be little memories or anything really. Now I've stitched all the way around. I've done some nice decorative stitching on the outside edges, and then on the spine it is stitched in with some string on a 3 pamphlet stitch. This is left here because there will be a dangle dangling from this. I haven't added it yet. Again, I really wanted surprises. I've got them all here ready, but I really wanted surprises for the person that won this journal, so that when they did receive it, they'd get a lovely surprise come to them. So there we go. That is everything. And when you close it, it just wraps round and then tucks in. I always like to tuck it in twice because it does loosen off. It's very satin ribbon. And there we go. So the competition. So that is going to run just 1 week only. So basically all you've got to do is just subscribe to my channel, like this video and leave a comment. And that is it. The comment could be literally anything. You could just say hi and I will give you a number, okay? And then on Monday next week, I will do a little video drawing the number for the competition winners. I'll have to try to get my laptop and film it and things. I'll figure out all the angles. I'll figure this out. It's the first time I've done it. So, and the competition is because I've had some wonderful support from all of you guys. I've now gotten over to 150 subscribers, which for me, I know for most people, like they're in the thousands and tens of thousands. And for me, my little 150 is so exciting. So, and when I started this journey, I started it due to suffering deeply from depression, anxiety and loneliness. And I had nobody to share my hobby with, and it was actually some family and some close friends all said, the stuff you create is lovely, people would want to see it. And so yeah, I decided to dive in the end and just go for it, and I'm really glad I did, because it's really helped tremendously. So don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment down in the description box. This competition is only for UK residents, or I can only send it to a UK address. So say you live in America, you've got family in the UK and they can get this to you, I can get that to a UK address, that's fine, but I can only send it to a UK address. So I've got to make that really clear. Also, once I draw your name, I really need you to email me on my business email. I will link that down in the description box as well. And I will need you to email me your address so I can send it to you. But yeah, please do enter if you can. You know, if you've got a UK address I can send this to, please do enter. So you don't have to necessarily be from the UK, as long as you've got somewhere in the UK I can send that to. Okay. So yeah, I hope you like this. I hope you can join in the competition. I'm sorry I can't send it worldwide right now. I'm not really earning money from this. I'm a hobbyist, so I don't really quote or give, you know, sell my things for profit. All of it goes straight back into how much it costs for me to do this. So I haven't actually got the funds to send it out of the UK at the moment. I'm hoping as I grow and start bringing in a little bit more money, I'll be able to do that. One other thing I did forget to mention, I wanted to mention, if you are a member, and that is part of my Buy Me a Coffee link, if you just link on that, you'll see there's a members thing. You get free Happy Mail for the Sweet Peas membership. You get free Happy Mail once a month. That goes out on the 1st of every month. And you get use of the DigiKits I put up there. I put up usually one a month, but I've got a few I'm going to be putting up this month. So you've got use of the DigiKits there for free. Any past ones and future ones, you'll get those for free. But the other thing you'll get is double entry into the competition. You'll get 2 numbers. So for instance, one of my members will comment, and then I will give them 2 numbers rather than 1. And that just gives them a double entry into the competition. Sorry, I'm all over the place today. So yeah, if you become a channel member within this week, you will still get your double number, if that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. Anyway, I hope you've liked this video. I hope you like what I've created for the design team. I hope G likes it. I hope she's happy with what I've managed to do with her kit. And I will see you all next time. Bye for now. Bye.